Line 22, 7B102, Projective Twistor, Minkowski space, photons, equations, Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And this is going to be about twistor space theories. Keyword research, Minkowski space-time, photons, and math equations for the vortex, found in line 22, well data. Okay. Line 22, 7B101, Sheaf, Cohomology, Twistor theory, Nonlinear, Graviton, Wow Seti. I was working on this data on November 23rd. Today's December 10th. My thoughts. Line 22, 7B97Z84A, elastic OH atoms, molecule collisions, ultra-cold temps, formula 5G Wow Seti, spins off into several formula videos. So the keyword Google projective twistor space, and the source of the keyword was from users.ox.ac.uk. My thoughts. From ideas with Minkowski space-time and rotating OH molecules colliding with cooled plasma, liquid argon gas, plus 6 neutrinos mixtures and formulas found in I don't know why it says plus 6. In formulas found in line 22's video, signal data, math equations, and algorithm. I'm going to get rid of this 6 because I don't think it's supposed to be there. I freak out when I read what twistor space is in the Wikipedia definitions. A concept of photons travel through space, Minkowski space-time, and it's what we are working on in line 22 formulas. Okay. How would you create? Oh, see, they were talking about it as a concept. They have a concept of photons traveling through space, and I'm talking about photons traveling through Minkowski space-time. Okay, that's what I get. So how to create ultra-cold rubidium atoms, adding Higgs electric field and generating a proton energy ring with atoms that rotate around laser beams mixed with particles and light to energize crystals. Diffract power sources within 2 superlattice structures in the UFO core engine designs. Wow, wow, wow. I've been working on this for some time, not knowing if anything was possible, and now this. A new theory we've been working on for 30 years coming to light in 2013. All because of the math equations and keywords found in the Wow signal data. Cool or what? Happy dance. Figured out twistor space will be proton energies, and I'll bet the formula should work to some degree now. This is a bit of a confirmation to me I'm on the right thinking track. Quote from Wiki. Now, I know some people are still joining us. I've done over 2,000 videos now for the Wow research, and it's been a learning experience the whole time. And basically I'm video blogging all my research for people to look at and figure out, because I didn't understand it. So yeah, that's why it was a happy dance that after 2 years of working on this, finally something's starting to make some sense to me. So it's like, oh, okay, so this is what it means. Okay. So in mathematics, twistor space is the complex vector space of solutions of the twistor equation. So this is the twistor equation here. It was described in the 1960s by Roger Penrose and McCollum. According to Andrew Hodges, twistor space is useful for conceptualizing the way photons travel through space using 4 complex numbers. He also posits, okay, I don't know what that's supposed to mean. That's what they typed. He also posits the twistor space may aid in understanding the asymmetry of the weak nuclear force. For Minkowski space denoted M, the solutions to the twistor equations are the form of this, where the WA and the pi A are 2 constant Weil spinors, and this equation is a point in Minkowski space. The twistor space is a 4-dimensional complex vector space whose points are denoted by this equation and with a Hermitian form of this equation. Too big. Which is invariant under the group SU22, which is in a quadruple cover of the conformal group C13 of compactified Minkowski spacetime. Points. Oh, so they were trying to say points up here. Okay, get it. Points in Minkowski space are related to subspacers or twistor space through the incident relation. Okay. The incident relation, and there's an equation there. The incident relation is preserved under an overall rescaling of the twistor, so usually one works in projective twistor space, denoted PT, which is isomorphic as a complex manifold to CP3. Given a point, and we got this XEM thing here, but it's not enough, those are symbols, is related to a line in projective twistor space where we can see the incidence relation as giving a linear embedding of CP parameterized by pi and A. Okay? The geometric relation between projective twistor space and compactified Minkowski space is the same as the relation between lines in two planes in twistor space. More precisely, twistor space is T. It has, there's the symbol for it. It is associated to the double vibration of flag manifolds, and there's more symbols here. Projective twistor space, and there's equations there. Compactified, complexified Minkowski space, again more equations. The corresponding space between P and M. Okay? In the above, P stands for projective space, G a Grassmannian, and F a flag manifold. The double filtration gives rise to two correspondents, and again there's more calculations there. M is embedded in P, another calculation by the Plucker embedding, and the image is the Klein quadratic. That's all Greek to me. I don't understand one word of that. I hope you do. So the keyword twistor theory will continue in the next video. Thanks for watching.